Hello, today I'm so excited to unbox Furls' new yarn. Furls now carries yarn, can you believe it? And it's a special kind of yarn, especially for crocheters, which is really cool. And I'm so excited and lucky that the people at Furls have sent me some yarn to unbox for y'all. So let's go ahead and get into this yarn and see what it's all about. Woo! Here it is! And the yarn comes in these satin pretty black bags that say Furls on them, which is so cool. Each skein is individually bagged in these. And today I have 4 to unbox for y'all. So the lovely people at Furls have sent me all 4 of their colors for me to unbox for y'all today. Let's go ahead and pick one of them. So open up the bag. It's a very nice bag. The first one that I've pulled out is the purple. It's very soft and the yarn looks really nice. Let's go ahead and open up another one. Next we have the gray. It's a very light, subtle gray. Very neutral color, very pretty. As soon as I pull it out of the bag, I notice how soft it is, which is really neat. And it's a little squishy. I could just imagine a winter beanie with a white pom-pom on this. Ooh, the possibilities. Okay, so that was the gray. The blue, and this is a gorgeous blue. Look how pretty this is. So nice. I can also imagine a beanie out of this one. Beanies are one of my favorite things to design and make, so of course most of the time I do see a beanie when I see yarn. Okay, so for the next color. So now for the last yarn. It is the red, and this is a beautiful dark red. Very, very pretty. Again, I can see a beanie out of this. But it's very, very pretty red. And like all the other skeins, it's very soft. It says that we made this yarn for you, crocheter. The unique twist of this yarn makes it optimal for your stitches. This yarn is really neat because it has a Z twist and not an S twist. And that just means that the fibers are wound in an opposite direction than most yarn is. So that then the yarn holds up its shape better and it has wonderful drape and beautiful stitch definition, which is really cool. Each hank of Whims Merino is 196 yards, and that's 180 meters. That's 3.5 ounces or 100 grams. It's a 50% superwash merino, 50% nylon yarn, and it's a light 3-weight yarn. It's also packaged in a black Furls bag. Whims Merino is available in 4 colors and as an undyed hank. They are $10 a hank, which I think is a great price. For the past 2 years, Furls has been researching and developing what they believe is now the best yarn for crocheters. Every time you yarn over, you produce a clockwise motion around the axis of the working yarn. This motion causes the yarn to slowly begin to de-ply, which means that the strands separate. This is why they have plied their yarn in the same direction that you move your hook. Rather than separating as you work, their Z-twist Whims Merino yarn will maintain ply and firmness. This improves your stitch definition, drape, and structure. I'm so excited to give this yarn a try. By the time this video goes up, I will have tried it out and you'll be able to read about my experience with this beautiful yarn. I'll have the link to my blog post below. And so here are all the 4 colorways. Purple, gray, blue, and red. And they're so pretty. Look at these colors. Very saturated, very pretty colors. Not too bright in your face colors, just very pretty, vibrant colors that I could imagine wearing almost every single day. And I just think this yarn is really cool. you should check out furlscrochet.com. So each skein of yarn is $10, and I think that that's a really great deal. And if you want to give this yarn a try, I think that you should. It's really soft, it's really nice, and it's so neat that it's specially made for crocheters and has a special Z twist so that your yarn won't split, and it holds up well and it drapes beautifully. And I just think that's so cool. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. And if you want to, if you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. I appreciate it so much. I hope that y'all are having a wonderful day. Until next time, bye!